All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a couple of tri-tips right here. I'm gonna do a reverse sear on the mill scale 94 gallon offset smoker. It's gonna be pretty straightforward to the point video. Just gonna throw these on the smoke. I actually got a couple of slabs of some ribs on there right now cooking, and I'm just gonna mainly be focused on these right here. Towards the end of the rib cook, I'm gonna throw these on and bring them up to temperature about 120 internal, smoke them for a little bit, and then I'm gonna get a small little fire grate I got. I'm gonna put it over the coals inside the firebox and just get a good sear on it and get a good char. And that's pretty much gonna be it. I'm just gonna be using some Sucklebusters fajita rub that I'm gonna throw on here. And yeah, you could just use salt and pepper, so however you like it is the way you should do it. So I just did minimal trimming on these because they're choice, they're not like Wagyu or anything like that, so I wanna leave a little bit of fat on there just for the flavor. Yeah, I'm just gonna get these seasoned up and let them hang out, and then we're gonna throw them on smoke towards the end of the rib cook. So I got that Sucklebusters fajita seasoning like I was talking about. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit in the fridge and absorb all the salt and the rub and kind of just let it kind of get that dry brine effect. And then about 30 to 45 minutes before I throw it on, I'm gonna take it out and let it sit at room temperature because you don't want ice cold meat going on the grill. I mean, people say let the meat get room temperature, but you'll be waiting hours for it to actually get room temperature because it's, you know, it just takes a while. But you just want the outside not to be ice cold, basically is what it is. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw these tri-tips on. These ribs are almost done, they've been on for a while. I'm gonna put a probe in the smaller one because it's gonna cook up quicker. After they come up to about 120 internal, then I'm gonna sear them off in the firebox like I was talking about.
Do our best to protect ourselves and our family, that's about it.
Are you doing that fucking,
That's how you were paying.
You were saying that.
You said you did too.
It's like,
that's where it's at.
No. I'm not getting a
Shush for just a minute.
The thing that I think is...
Just for a minute.
Because that's where I think that you go in here and they're like, oh.
All right, guys, I'm about to sear these off. I got this little grill grate right here. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna throw it in here. Then I'm gonna sear off these tri-tips and get them nice and charred on both sides. And that's gonna be it.
All right.
I think I sent a Mark Davis where it's like, say it, dude, like this shit. Oh.
So here it is, reverse seared tri-tip. Make sure you cut against the grain. All right, so the first one I cooked came out pretty raw. And I tried to cook this a little bit more. This is more along the medium. It's hard to tell on camera because it's kind of blown out, but trust me, it's not overcooked. It's just not even
Focus.
Fuck no, the whole time I probably wasted all that fucking time. Try it. Try it out. Is it good? Is it the best shit you ever had in your life?
It's good.
Is it good?
It's fucking good.
Hey, bro.
Hey.
Alright guys, so there it is. Alright guys, so there it is. Easy tri-tip. I just showed you guys. I did some ribs also. Ribs were good. They're a little bit spicy. Good meat.
Nice meat.
Yeah.
Is this the new one?
It's a little more drum.
Oh, let's see what this piece right here tastes like.
That's good.
Is that good?
Hell yeah.
There you go, guys. He said it's good. I know he already said it's good. It's not. He didn't even taste it, but I know he likes it.
Get an end. That's very good. I got a bottle of basil haven.
There you go.
You like that? Mm-hmm. Next time you can tell me.
Oh, dude. Right there.
Hell
That's
yeah.
the shit you break.
That shit get you fucked up, man. I'll be right.
Alright guys, you saw it. There it is. Easy grilled meats, some fine craft meats on the
Hey guys, let me tell you. This is delicious meat. You cannot go wrong. Look how juicy and actually bloody. It's delicious, the blood, because I'm a vampire. Don't put that
I don't know what the fuck to say after you're trying to think. Hey, but seriously, that's it guys. I cooked some meat. You guys saw it. I don't know if you liked it. Maybe you liked it, maybe you didn't, but there it is. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Dr. Fart approved. Oh my God.